Hello, I'm Crafter Wong. Welcome to the episode of Crafter Wong with Crafter Wong. In this episode, I'm making Turtwig. I don't care what anyone says, this is the best starter of all time. Well, no, actually, not the best starter of all time. The best Sinnoh starter. You know why? It was my first starter. So, my opinion is never wrong. So, Turtwig is obviously the best start Sinnoh Pokemon. Anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you're getting Brilliant Diamond or Shining Pearl. Besides that, I hope you enjoy. At the end of the day, it's not hours to build. Very, very short video, so watch it.